Hey, if you want to edit your Instagram profile, first of all you have to click on the right bottom corner and then tap on the three lines in the right upper corner. Next you will have to go to the settings and the privacy and go into the accounts center. Now from here click on the profiles, go into your account, and from here you can first change the name of your profile. I mean the name that appears on the description on your profile. Below you can change your username. It appears right here. Next, we can also change the profile picture. So when you click on the profile picture, you will open the gallery of your photos and you will be able to select anything that you want. And from here, you can actually create the AI avatar. So first we can set the skin tone. Then we have to click next. And from here, we can change the hairstyle. We can set the gender, then click next, change the hair color. Then we can also change the face shape, the white. Next we can click next. And then we can also change the outfit. Then we can click done. And after a few seconds you will be actually find your new created avatar. And that's basically it. And all new information of your profile you will actually find just right here. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.